Is .NET Interop for Microsoft CAPICOM crashing because of the Interop Crypto API COM adapter DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Before we get into the manual guide for Interop Crypto API COM adapter, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Interop Crypto API COM adapter, a specialized interop library that allows .NET applications, CAPICOM, to communicate with the legacy Microsoft CAPICOM Crypto API COM engine. While deprecated, it is still a mandatory requirement for hundreds of legacy e-banking and government portal tools. If missing, the app will crash, citing a COM component failure. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Interop Crypto API COM adapter DLL. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Interop Crypto API COM adapter. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Remember that Interop Crypto API COM adapter DLL operates within a complex software ecosystem. Modifying it manually without updating its linked dependencies can lead to permanent environment errors. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and Interop Crypto API COM adapter synchronization. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Interop Crypto API COM adapter was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.